Okay, in this video, we're going to find the inverse of rational functions. These are the three problems that we will solve together, and so let's begin. So this is what I like to do first. I change f of x to the letter y. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. The next step, I think inverse, I think reverse. I change my y to an x and my x to a y. This will be our step 2. Now my objective is to get y by itself, so we got to do a little bit of rearrangement. What I'm going to do now is multiply this piece by y minus 3. I did it to the right, so I have to also do it to the left, y minus 3. So we're going to get y minus 3 with parentheses times x is equal to, these pieces cancel out, and we have 2y plus 1. Next we're going to multiply it out. X times y is xy. X times negative 3 is negative 3x is equal to 2y plus 1. Now we're going to try to group our y's. So I'm going to subtract 2y to the right and to the left. I'm also going to move this piece to the right. So plus 3x here, plus 3x. And so we're going to get xy minus 2y. These pieces cancel out is equal to, these pieces also cancel out. And then we have 3x plus 1. We're still not done yet. We're going to try to group our y's. So we'll have y parentheses x minus 2 because y times x is xy, y times negative 2 is negative 2y, and then this piece remains the same. Now our last step to get y by itself, I'm going to divide by x minus 2 on both sides. And so x minus 2 cancels out, and we'll finally have our answer. Y is equal to 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. This right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this first problem. Now this is the next problem. I recommend pause the video and try it out. Same idea. This is gx. I'm going to call it a y is equal to this piece. So 4x minus 5 fraction 3x plus 2. Now we swap y with an x and x with a y. And now we want to get rid of the denominator. So we'll multiply by 3y plus 2 times, same thing, 3y plus 2. So then we'll have this piece, so parentheses 3y plus 2, close it, parentheses x is equal to, these guys cancel out, so we have 4y minus 5. We'll distribute, so we'll have 3xy plus 2x is equal to 4y minus 5. Now we'll go ahead and subtract 4y, we want to move this piece, so minus 2x, minus 2x. And so we're going to get 3xy minus 4y. These pieces cancel is equal to, these pieces cancel, negative 5 minus 2x. We'll take out our y, so we'll have y parentheses 3x minus 4, close it, is equal to this piece, negative 5 minus 2x. And finally, we'll go ahead and divide by 3x minus 4, divide by 3x minus 4. And so y is equal to negative 5 minus 2x divided by 3x minus 4. Now this is important. I'll go back to the last problem. There's one more step we have to do. So we're not solving for y, we're solving for the inverse. So the symbol we're going to use is g raised to negative 1. Parentheses x is equal to, and so we have negative 2x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 4. And this right here is our final answer. Now, like I said, this one will fix it too. We're not solving for y, we're solving for the inverse. So we will say f raised to negative 1 parentheses x is equal to this. But I'll go ahead and rewrite it. 3x plus 1 fraction x minus 2. And this right here is our final answer. Now this is the last problem, same idea, same procedure. So instead of an h, make it a y. So y is equal to x divided by 5x minus 6. Now we'll go ahead and swap y with an x. So x is equal to y fraction 5y minus 6. We want to get rid of the denominator, so times 5y minus 6 here. Also here, so 5y minus 6. So this will cancel out, and we will have 5y minus 6 with parentheses. And this is also a parentheses. X is equal to y. We'll go ahead and distribute, so we will have 5xy minus 6x is equal to y. And then we'll go ahead and subtract 5xy, subtract 5xy. So we'll have negative 6x is equal to y minus 5xy. We can group a y, so y parentheses 1 minus 5x. because y times 1 is y times negative 5x is negative 5xy. And then this piece can stay the same, negative 6x. And now we'll go ahead and divide by 1 minus 5x, divide by 1 minus 5x. These pieces cancel out. And to save some space, we know we change y to this inverse, so h raised to negative 1 parentheses x is equal to this. So negative 6x divided by 1 minus 5x. And this right here is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for these three problems.